Hi everyone! It's 1:15 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria, and in the Philippines, it's 8:15 na ng gabi. So ngayon guys, ito yung natira sa lechon belly ko nung Christmas. Kaya ngayon guys, diprito ko siya guys, tapos with sausawan of course. And then mayroon ding lettuce, 2 kinds of lettuce. And of course guys, may rice din siya guys. So, ito guys, ang aming lunch for today. And of course guys, with zucchini. Yan, zucchini and all-purpose mangchumas and pinakurat suka. So, this is our lunch for today guys. At snowy sa labas guys. So, ito ang ulam namin guys instead na sabaw. So, kain tayo guys. And of course, rice is light. Kain tayo guys. Ang sarap ng aking lechon belly na giprito. So crunchy siya guys. May pasawsawan tayo na maanghang. Ayan. So, eto guys. Kain tayo guys. Babush. Sarap din tong zucchini. Babush. Sarap. Nam-nam.